everyone. Tonight for supper, I'll be making garlic bread sloppy joes. What all goes into the garlic bread sloppy joes? 1 pound ground beef, 1/2 cup diced onion, 1/2 cup diced green pepper, 2 cloves garlic mince. I'm using the already minced kind, 1 cup ketchup, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon mustard, salt and pepper to taste, 4 slices of Texas toast garlic bread, and 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 400. So take a large skillet over medium heat and brown your hamburger until no longer pink, and then drain. So after the ground beef is brown and drained, dump in your 1/2 cup of chopped onions, 1/2 cup of chopped green pepper, and the 2 cloves of minced garlic, and cook that for 3 to 4 minutes or until the veggies are tender. So after the 3 minutes, the veggies are tender, put in your 1 cup of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of mustard, and salt and pepper to taste. I'm doing 1/4 of a teaspoon of each. You do you, and stir that all up. Now with the vegetables, you can cut them really fine, but if you like chunky sloppy joes like I do, or if you're just lazy like I am, you can cut them into bigger chunks. All right, once that's all mixed, turn down the heat and simmer about 5 minutes or until the sauce thickens up. While your sloppy joes are simmering, cook your garlic Texas toast in a preheated 400-degree oven for 5 to 7 minutes or until crispy, brown and crispy. It says 4 Texas toasts, but you can either make it like a sandwich and have not an open face, or you can just have leftovers. So after the Texas toast garlic bread was in the oven for 7 minutes, scoop sloppy joes on each one. Then put some cheese on each one. And it says mozzarella cheese, but I think pepper jack cheese would be awesome. I love sliced pepper jack cheese on regular sloppy joes, so I think that would be good on this as well. Put those back in the oven for 3 to 5 minutes until the cheese is nice and bubbly. So here is the garlic bread sloppy joes, and rounding out the meal is pinto beans. Let's see what Dave thinks.
This looks different.
It's garlic bread sloppy joes.
It sounds different. That's pretty good. You put jalapenos in there?
No, green peppers.
Green peppers? Okay. It goes good together.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.